Yo we. Manje khamba ntwana. Ish. Ngiphethe ubutsepa ntwana. Mana ubocabangana udla amakota ayi4 one man. Ish ntwana. I thought I could handle it, but I was clearly wrong. Let's just keep walking ntwana. We're almost home.
Mara ntwana. Ukutshelile ukuthi this is a bad idea. Abantwana basesikolweni. Ngeke stop next.
Baba, just be patient and trust the process. Something will pop up.
Yeah, shut up. Awuzi ukuthi uyarasa.
Looks like we just found a 2-for-1 special. Uyabona ntwana, it's the law of attraction at Mangeni. Ebafana bam.
Sure.
Ice cream nyana.
Screen out time. And futhi asena mali.
Don't worry. It's on the house.
Yeah? Serious mfethu?
How? Why would I lie?
Uno momento hot man. Isitrategy inkobereni siqala njo. Endoda. Manje uyenzani? I'm trying to get some ice cream. Wena uyenzani? I'm trying to stop us from getting kidnapped. Owasibona ukuthi lezi nje sifuna ukusipatrek. You are overthinking it ntwana yami. We have nothing to worry about. Yo! Manje lo. So, wela boss. Hambani? I'm just checking if he's still watching the kids. Yo we, wangathi lentwana lezi azikabuyi.